What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Zeblaze Btalk Lite smartwatch. Some of you guys, if you don't know about this watch, well, today we're gonna just check it out and see how much this watch it is. So for further talking or further ado, let us just get started. This is the Zeblaze Btalk. It's called Zeblaze Btalk Lite. We're gonna just unbox this product and check out what's inside and how the watch works. And we're gonna just review it and check it out, the specs and all of that. Is it really worth it? Because this watch, it's a really budget watch, but is it covering all the needs you need on a budget price? So let us just check it out and get started throughout unboxing it and see what's happening. So guys, here we have it. This is our Zeblaze Btalk Lite. And we're gonna just unbox it and see what's inside. So we're getting the charger here, which is, I think this charger is a magnetic charger, which it's a USB and a magnetic charger. Another stuff, you're getting the Zeblaze Btalk Lite manual. We're gonna read this book and understand what's happening in here. Last but not least, we're getting our watch. Now this is how the watch looks like. Really quite not bad. I really like the material, the way they kept it. Really cool. The straps are really handy, and it has a modern straps removal, so you just have to just press this button and you're good to go. That means you can interchange the straps depending on you how much you want it, but I wish they could just consider giving us an extra strap. It would be much amazing. And another kind of stuff, the form factor throughout here, really cool, to be honest. Another kind of last but not least, before we turn it on, you can see here, this is the magnetic, and it's really strong. As you can see, we're inside the watch right now, and finally it's on. And as you can see, the user interface, it's really fluidy, and you can go to the settings side and see what's happening. It's even having an audio Bluetooth in here, which is really great, and it have vibrate. You can vibrate throughout here, which is really amazing. And another kind of stuff, it has low power mode, and it has phone reset. You can reset your phone. Does that mean, wow, this would be amazing. Another kind of stuff, it has system. You can go to system, you can power off or reset your watch, and it has an about, and you can even get the download QR code to download the app. And another kind of stuff, the menu is dope. I love the menu because it's fluidy. It's not like those kind of watches when you're just, you know, you're trying to just do this way and it's lagging. This one, it's so much fluidy, and the user interface of apps, they're really great. And as you can see guys, throughout here, and it has bunch of options in here. I like the way they kept the heart rate up, which you can see the sensors are on right now. Not only that, we can go back again, and when we go here, there is another app for, this is for blood oxygen, yeah, blood pressure it says, and it's really cool. I like the way they kept their applications really minimal. And what's this? Oh, this is for the activity, and we're having the clock in here. And another thing which is so fascinating, you can see between the bezel, it's like it's almost like bezel-less, I can say. This is a man, this watch is crazy. It's like bezel-less. And the display, it's really coming in handy. Another kind of stuff you can see guys in here, you're having the camera. You can remote your camera. Not only that, you're having game section, so you can play bunch of game in here. You can play like Battleship, which is really cool. Let's play. You can just do that way. Man, that's really good. Man, that's really cool. It's like Space Invader. It's like those kind of vibe, you know what I mean? You can play games directly through the watch, and you can, man, this is really amazing. You can go back, you can exit the game. It has even Flappy Bird. Remember Flappy Bird? Let's play. Let's see. Just tap on the screen. You just make sure that the bird does not, you know, it passes these tunnels. Yeah, like that. Oh, almost there. Like that, just like that, slightly Oh, almost done. Got my score there. Nice. As you can see, guys, so you can play games through here, and it has bunch of watch faces, which they're really cool. As you can see, guys, bunch of watch faces. I really like this one. It looks like Apple-ish or something, and you can continue holding it and check out. There's a cityscape kind of watch face, really dope. And another kind of stuff, you're having this watch face too here, really cool. I like that. It's like the stealth, it's like, you know, MI or something, Mission Impossible something. You can continue checking out another watch face. I believe on the app section it has more watch faces. This looks like Apple watch face, and you can, I think you can tap on the screen and it's waking up, or the button. Okay, you can just hold it and check out this earth. Wow, that looks really cool. That's Apple-ish. It has bunch of exercise sporting. As you can see, a lot of them, man. It's a lot. I continue tapping. Okay, let's exit. Stop. You can see here, guys, really amazing. And another kind of stuff throughout this watch, it has weather app, which is really dope. You can see that when you connect it to your phone, it will just do the thing. You're having your music control player, and another kind of stuff, there's a stopwatch or timer here. And yeah, this is a stopwatch and this is a timer. My bad. Another kind of stuff, you're having cycle tracking. This is for women. And another kind of stuff, if you lose your watch or your phone, actually when you lose your phone, you can try finding it with this Find My Phone. So it's really great throughout using this watch. You can add some widgets in here, which is really cool. Like you can add like a dial widget, and you can add more widget like an activity. You can add like a widget like what, like you can record, oh, a shutter. You can add bunch of widgets, and when you hold them, you can just remove them just like that, and you're good to go. When you swipe on this side, really convenience to go to the app section, because this button is just for sleeping and there's no any kind of more buttons throughout this watch. So yeah, you can add some widgets in here, which is really cool. Like you can add like a dial widget, and you can add more widget like an activity. You can add like a widget like what, like you can record, oh, a shutter. You can add bunch of widgets, and when you hold them, you can just remove them just like that, and you're good to go. When you swipe on this side, really convenience to go to the app section, because this button is just for sleeping and there's no any kind of more buttons throughout this watch. So yeah, this is the Zeblaze watch, and it's really great. I'll be honest, I love the watch interface. The watch interface comes really at handy, and the UI out of it, they nailed it. I'll be honest, it's like really cool. It's so much colorful, and they kept it really minimal icons on here, which is really great. Talking about the icons, I like the way they kept the settings, so it's not like all over the place, because there are a lot of smartwatches you might be buying which are budget around $50 and they're crazy when it comes to setting side. They're crazy through giving you much better setting tweaking throughout the watch, but this watch comes really in handy, and I like it that you can choose multiple icon the way you want them to appear in terms of how you choose or select a certain thing. It's a really great thing. Not only that, I like the way it is. It's really light, it's not quite heavy, and the straps, they're easy to remove. And another kind of stuff, the display captured me like crazy. I know it's a TFT display, but still, for the pricing, I'll be honest, this is a really amazing budget watch. So that's what's up. This is a Zeblaze Btalk Lite, and it's a really cool watch, and it looks like Apple. When you just keep it somewhere, somebody may be knowing a little bit Apple-ish, you know what I mean, but not almost there. But it's a really cool and amazing watch throughout there. That's what's up about the Zeblaze Btalk Lite smartwatch. It's a really amazing kind of smartwatch, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this smartwatch. Will you be able just to grab it? But from the scale of 10 to 0, I give this watch 8. It's a really great and amazing smartwatch, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking, and I'll leave a link down below where I got it. And that's what's up, guys. Up to the next one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. Last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.